Hello viewers, I'm that your friend, Father Michael Obodo, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Today I'm in my poultry farm wow, as you can see we are giving our birds pawpaw leaf. I'm going to be discussing with us the importance of giving your birds this plant, this pawpaw leaf. It's very effective in the poultry farming. The system we operate here is what we call the deep litter system. And in this deep litter system, excuse me, in this deep litter system, the birds are allowed to move freely in the cage, and we provide some wood for them. We call this, cameraman, can you see it? We call it, you can see the bird on it, we call this the pesha. Here they perch probably in the night or in the afternoon where they want to rest. Like what I said, this pawpaw leaf is given to them and it actually carry out some functions in their body. The first of them is that to it helps to control coccidosis. One, it also helps to deworm the birds. Three, pawpaw leaf also helps to increase their vitamin, to balance their vitamin in their system. And these are some of the importance of giving your birds pawpaw leaf. And as you can see the farm, we tie them at a different, you can see them going there to have some from it. You can see here, we also tie it at the other side because if you give your birds pawpaw leaf, one thing we also discover is that it helps them to increase in productivity, that is their eggs production. It helps them to grow so much, and that is why pawpaw leaf is very important. Like what I said, this system is the deep litter system. There are some places who practice the battery cage system. Doing constructing that battery cage is very expensive, but that is actually the higher form of poultry farming. But for beginners, you can start with this form. And these boxes that we have here, they are called the, Timothy, please come over. Let me show you something. As you can see the birds there, they come here to drop their eggs. Look at them. They're already dropping their eggs. You can see their eggs. So we come here with the crate and pick them off later on. So this is exactly what we do here in our poultry. Excuse me. Just, just a minute. What happened? This one went up. Okay. So this is how we run. Okay. I think I still have some birds outside. Let me bring them in. Wow. So this is how we run our deep litter system here in the agro priest farm. Thank you very much for finding out time to view this my station. I remain that your friend Father Michael Obodo, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. So cameraman, please take a full view of the, you can see the birds, they are relaxing and they are beating. This is actually one advantage of the deep litter system. The birds will be free to exercise themselves. They will be free to perch on their pesha. But that of the battery cage, they don't have that freedom. You put them inside the cage, but sometimes I'm not too comfortable with the battery cage system because it will just appear as if the birds are in their cell just to produce egg. No, sometimes give them that freedom to exercise and feel that natural environment. Thank you and God bless you.